everyone, I'm Matt. Welcome back to another 2-minute tour. Today, we are taking a look at the Gulfstream BT Cruiser model 5210. So first and foremost, this is Gulfstream. They do use the E350 chassis, okay? But there's still a lot of great features about it, like no seams in the fiberglass front cap. And it's a nice smooth profile. Not everybody wants that big bulky bunk over the cab. Right here we do have mirrors on both sides, and it does come with the camera, so you don't see that often on this price point of a unit. Very nice storage, frameless windows, but what Gulfstream does that I really like is they use Azdel, which is a grade-based material that will never delaminate on you. Let's take a look at the inside. It's a Class C that you've probably never seen before. Entering in the rear of the coach, we're gonna start off right away by showing you the bathroom here. Very decent sized shower, nice toilet, and a sink area. Then in the middle is actually where the kitchen is. And then look at this, there's no dinette. Or wait, there is a dinette. There is no queen bedroom. Right here you have a dinette, drops down to make a bed. And right here you have a sofa that makes a bed. Now, you can option another sofa here, so you have two sofas. But the whole point about this is, there is no bedroom in here. There's no bed. This is more like a Class C that's like a mobile office or whatever. You have everything that you need in a small size, and maybe a place to sleep every once in a while, but you're not going to be sleeping all the time. We do have a nice entertainment center right there, in the nice cockpit area. Again, the response of this unit, not everybody needs a bedroom to sleep in. Sometimes people are fine using this. They're fine using this more like a day cruiser or a mobile office. That's it. A quick little tour of the BT Cruiser. If you guys want to see the full review, make sure you check out my YouTube channel, which is Matt's RV Reviews. Or if you know that this is a unit that you want to buy, fill out the contact form down below. Somebody from my team will reach out to you and get you a phenomenal price. Thanks so much for watching. We will see you next time.